Our quick guide on the key ISO 27001 controls for enhancing cybersecurity awareness. First up, information security policies. These form the backbone of your security framework, ensuring everyone knows their roles and responsibilities. Next is the organization of information security. It's all about structured management, ensuring security across all levels of your organization. Then we have human resource security. Educating your team is crucial. From hiring to retirement, it's about embedding security in your culture. Asset management is key. Identifying and protecting your assets, like data and devices, prevents unauthorized access and breaches. Access control can't be overlooked. It ensures that only those who should have access to systems and information do. Cryptography plays a pivotal role. Protecting data integrity and confidentiality during storage and transmission is essential. Physical and environmental security are vital. Safeguarding your physical assets protects against environmental risks and unauthorized entry. And finally, operations security. This ensures secure and efficient operations through protection against malware and monitoring of networks. These ISO 27001 controls are fundamental for your cybersecurity awareness program. Stay informed, stay secure.